You need to send money overseas. You need to pay student loans. You need to pay for, I don't know. You need to send money to a friend. You need to send money to your bank account in America, in Canada, in China, wherever you need to send money to. I got you. My name is Davian, and really quickly, I want this video to be super quick. The app that you need to download right now, get your phone out, is SentBe. You're going to want to download SentBe. There it is right there. Totally free app, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now in this very second, in this very moment. Let's go. I'm going to show you an example as if I'm going to send money to my account in America. This is SentBe. You just open it up. Looks just like this. You're going to type in a code. So this is what the main screen is going to look like on SentBe. Up here, we have the amount of won that I'm going to send, and this is the receiving amount. This is really cool because this works as a sort of calculator. So for example, let's say 1,000 won. That's going to equal out to about 75 cents in USD. Let's go crazy, and let's say I'm going to send 300,000 won. That'll be 225 and 3 cents in USD. Also, you can send to quite a bit of countries, but you can only send from these 4 countries currently. But as it says, SentBe will soon be able to send money from anywhere in the world. So for example, let's say I want to send 600,000 won, $450.07. I have my 2 options, Express and Standard. Let's go for Express today. Please note that there is a 5,000 KRW fee. Click. Now there's going to be 2 options, a manual deposit and then an auto debit. Basically, manual is just going to, it'll send from your Korean account to SentBe's account and then to your own account. You have to approve the transaction, whereas with the debit, it will send automatically. So you have to set up the auto debit, but it's worth it. It will ask for the recipient. You will have to put in your phone number back home, your bank account, also your address. So I'll blur all of my information out. We're going to choose me, confirm it. This will be all my information: name, mobile number, receiving method, account number, routing number, address. This is the transfer information, the USD exchange rate, how much I'm sending in won, how much I'm receiving in the dollar, and then the estimated arrival date. Transfer process, auto debit. If it is your first time, you will have a discounted coupon that will be for the transfer fee. So this is the total. Exactly, it'll be 600,000 won. The transfer fee for the Express is 5,000 won. So then when you're ready, you just press slide. Then you're going to put in your transfer password. And then boom, just like that, you have a transaction number. The transfer request will be successful. The final amount and the name, I actually changed the final amount because I didn't want to send myself that much money. You confirm and boom, all done. So it'll say processing for a while, and then in about a day or 2, there will be your money in your account. Simple as that. So one more time, this is the main menu: transfer history, rewards, support, and all. Yeah, that's basically it. Very, very easy. I feel like not a lot of people talk about this app, but I promise this is the only thing that you will need to send money back home. It's literally as simple as 1, 2, 3, boom, look at that. So your money should take about, if you paid Express, 1 day, 2 day. If you did not pay Express, it'll take about 4 or 5-ish days. Either way, that's all you need to know. If you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave a comment and ask me. I always will respond. And thank you guys for watching. My name is Davian, or Davey. I will see you in the next vlog and or video.